My name is Paul Freeman. I'm with Eagle Solar and Light. We're pleased to be part of the 2021 Cahaba Fry Down supporting the Cahaba River Society. Our goal as a company is to provide renewable, sustainable energy for our customers, and we certainly see the overlap with the Cahaba River Society as they are promoting a sustainable watershed to benefit all the biological diversity and human users of the watershed.
The fish that we chose to cook with this year was the tilapia, and we're raising awareness because the tilapia, the blue tilapia, has been introduced into the Cahaba watershed. We're finding them now in Shades Creek in Homewood, Alabama. They're in this stream by the dozens, and it's just one more non-native species that's been introduced to the Cahaba. The Cahaba River Society does a lot of good work trying to control invasives like the taro plant. I hope that you continue to support the Cahaba River Society and make sure you never release any pets or fish from ponds into your native streams. Thank you.
Let's see what we can do with some fresh tilapia fillets.
So the fresh tilapia fillets are washed in egg and then placed in the flour and spice batter. Spices added to the flour include salt and pepper, ground mustard, paprika, Cajun seasoning, and garlic powder. Included with the fish taco is slaw made of red and green cabbage, broccoli, carrots, and jalapenos. Also included, roasted corn and avocado. Okay, for our finished product, we're gonna add the slaw, corn, some sliced avocado, tilapia, add a little bit of tartar sauce on top, and you've got yourself a fish taco, courtesy of the Eagle Solar and Lightly Battered Fry Down Team 2021.
Yes!
All right.
Awesome.
So
Fish tacos.
Yeah. Eagle Solar and Lightly Battered Tilapia Tacos.
There's the flavor.
Ready for the bite.
Suspense is incredible.